So guys, I'm discussing about that one important topic, how we can promoting mobile application using for such network ads. So everyone asking for only mobile app promotion, only for mobile network ads. There is a mobile app promotions. So how we can promoting for mobile apps using for search network option. First of all, we can go to Google AdWords, search for signing. Lot of people don't know this option, how we can search network will be supporting for mobile app promotion. That it will be Android and iOS app promotions. So your app compulsory will be there Android and iOS option. Go to campaign structure, new campaign. First of all, set the goals, lead purpose, website traffic, here, search network. They're showing for website visit, phone call, shop visits, app download, and lead for submissions. Where lead, website traffic, search, only for website promotion. Brand awareness is not supporting for text. Leads, search will be supporting for website visit, phone call, shop visit, and app download. We go with the without goals option. That goal will be search network option. Here will be promoting for website visit, phone call, and app download. Click for app download. So, which one are you promoting in app download in the search network? Search network will be totally promoting for only for mobile users, not for the desktop users. And select for the search particular application. Select here and continue it. After that, here two things will be very important. They support you with the search network and display. Both will be showing for search network. The campaign structure will be showing for the users will be like this. Ad account, campaign name, and ad group, and list of keyword. This is a search network structure will be like this. So how is it created? First of all, search network will be supporting for search and display option. Ads can appear near Google search results and other sites when people search for terms and the relevant your keywords, including Google search partner option. Next, display network. Expand your reach by showing ads to relevant customers as they browse sites, video, and apps across the internet. Next option, where you can promote country-wise, state-wise, and place-wise. I'm promoting only for Hyderabad. The target will be particular. You can go for 2,074 lakhs people will be reached in the particular that is called 2 crores 74 lakhs people will be reached in the particular Hyderabad. And specific language, we can go for multiple language or specific language. This language will be only English. So particular audience will be selected. The audience will be here. We can select by the particular audience future. How we can select the audience future? Particular category and particular search, particular browse option. We can target by any users on the particular Google AdWords network. What the per day budget you have? I'm selecting my per day budget will be 1,000 rupees. Is mostly eligible by the conversion value, clicks and impression share. I'm go to clicks. They're showing apostrophe mark. I'm clicking impression share. This is going for impression share option. So always we can go for conversion option. This campaign will be used maximum conversion bid strategy to help you get most conversion for this your budget option. How much budget you are spending, the based on your conversion will be successfully created by the text ads option. Next, you're going for site link extension, call out extension, every option will be there. Don't use the option. All app extension will be there. This is a download now option. Save and continue. Next option. So create the ad group. Ad group main purpose to add the list of keywords. Each ad campaign we can create the number of ad groups. Each ad group can number of keywords. So just I'm adding for sample one. This is a sample. I'm adding 2 keywords. We can add each group will be more than 15 keywords compulsory we can use. Each keyword will be, we have to 3 matches will be using for the text ad. That is called broad match, exact match, and the phrase match. So how is the meaning for these 3 matches? where you can use this one. First, we can clear the keywords here. So in this keywords, next one, save and continue. So what the purpose of? We have selecting for three option. Which one? Broad match, exact match, and phrase match. Now you can see this. This is a different one. Exact match. An exact terms and close variation of the exact term. So your keyword will be exact when you match. The search will show your ad. Broad match, none. Synonyms, related searches, and other relevant variation. They show your ad will be in the Google search results. Next thing, phrase match. In the particular keyword, you have to matching for phrase. You show your ad in the Google search results. Now, I'm creating final URL. Finally, don't give the website. They give by app URL. So we have the three headlines and two descriptions. Write it here. So we can use. So you can use. Done. So you can start by another ad is there required. Add by a number of total three ads will be there. So add by next one. Cancel it. So one ad is creating. We can another two ads will be there. Is a responsive search ad. So when coming to this one, how to show the ad will be particular customers. The ad customer will be showed will be like this. Suppose I go to incognito window, Google Action, digital marketing training. Here will be showing for any type of ad. This is a website purpose. This will be app purpose. Customer services and website design at best price in Hyderabad. They're showing only for mobile users. You can see this will be using for desktop in the play option. This will be in the display purpose. So first we can using for mobile, first we're using for desktop, and first we're using for display. So here if you're promoting for the same campaign AdWords from the mobile app promotion, they only suitable by the only Play Store purpose. But text ad in the search network, they suitable by the display for the which webs approved by the Google AdSense, that website. And second thing is promoting for Google search results when people searching the particular keywords in the mobile and desktop. So people ask you one question. So if you go to the Google AdWords option, come into the sign in. Go to campaign structure, new campaign. Here already app promotion option is there only for app promotion purpose. But this app promotion we can show to we can particular only for mobile users. But coming to the search network, we can show will be ad will be mobile, desktop, and Google AdSense website. Which website approved by the Google AdSense? Like they show ad will be particular users like this. So any user will be open. The show ad will be like this. Here they're showing for play now. Now it is showing for option will be here open now. So where you can play.google.com. So these are the scenario we can follow the particular ads will be promotion on the search network. Search and mobile only one difference. In the mobile app promotions, come into this. This will be drive automated generated for Google Search Network and Display Network, Google Play within the other apps and YouTube. So they will only promoting for mobile users. But Search Network in the text ad, the supporting for desktop and mobile. And next one will be promoting for other website to promote by your Play Store app install purpose. So text ad will be two things. When people search in the keywords, the Google search results. Second thing is called the showing for other website. You can promote your app in the display ad also. That is a benefit for search with the display ad. So that is called I'm creating for this ad. So how many ads you can creating for total? You can create by the 3 ads. So this is the option. Save and continue. This campaign will be creating for without goals. So that is called no goal will be selected. If your goal will be lead purpose, select the goal option also. So how many ad groups? One ad group, 4 keywords and 4 ads. Continue to campaign. After create a campaign, we have question is there where you can add by exact, broad and a phrase match. That is called where we can add the keywords after ad group. We can add the keywords. Here will be matches are there. So this match will be suitable for where broad match, phrase match and exact match. What the different? So broad match, suppose your keyword will be bioflower. If any keyword will be matched for related, so one word is phasing will be matched, your ad will show to the customer in the particular option. So that is mean by synonyms, related search and other related variation. Synonyms and related search and other relevant variation. So phrase match, the phrase close variation of the phrase option. Suppose you are adding for digital market training. So I am writing for one digital market training. Digital training phase will be matched. Your ad will show to the customer based on the phrase. But exact match, if you're writing for digital training, the exact keyword will matching for digital marketing training option. There is a 3 variation will compulsory know the document. So if we read this document purpose, simple we can go to the my website architectsolutions.com. In this, if we learn the complete things, will be there by the study materials. In the study material, it will be there your complete notes. Download and read the complete notes will be about the particular PPT. So you can selecting for matches. We can use different match, phrase match. So here people asking one question. So which is better? Suppose you can adding for broad match, any relevant variant you can match the showing ad will be Google. The spending for more. If we exact results will be need, we can go for exact match and a phrase match option. Suppose you are searching for best customer services in Hyderabad. So customer service will be matched. Showing you a particular option will be there. So that is called we have to use the this matches. Broad match, exact match and phrase match option. So in the text ad to promote any mobile application, the ad will be displayed by the mobile in the search results, desktop in the search results. Third will be display will be promoting for where in the particular website who will be upload the Google AdSense. The show your website will be other website also. So in this all option will be there. So click in this, your ad will be shown to the customers. So this is the campaign you can create on the search network. To ad will be shown to customer will be mobile and desktop will be search option, and the ad will show to the which website approved by the Google AdSense. The ad will be shown like this. Finally, they show by click the option. They go to Play Store, increase the install based on your two option, search network and display network. Search nothing but text ad like this. Display nothing but they show your ad will be the particular Play Store ad will be other website who approved by the Google AdSense website. So this is a promoting for your mobile application search network using Google AdWords campaign.